Hi, my name is Whitney Eddy, and this is my introduction video for APR 525. A little bit of background. I am originally from Haleyville, Alabama. It's in the northwest corner of the state, about an hour to an hour and a half from Tuscaloosa. I grew up going to Tuscaloosa every single weekend in high school. I was a competitive baton twirler, and my coach was out of Tuscaloosa. I now live in Orlando, Florida. I love it down here. It's so much fun. I am in the advertising and public relations program, and I'm currently a Disney College program intern. On the college program, I am working at Navi River Journey in Disney's Animal Kingdom, the little boat ride in Pandora. It has been a ton of fun so far, and I've gotten to connect with a lot of people. Our proprietor, who's basically like over Pandora, has the same degree that I do, and that was a lot of fun. I learned that the first day. I was like, wow, you really can do anything with a PR degree. I graduated from Mississippi State University back in 2020 with a degree in communication, concentration in public relations. Just some little for fun things. I love Run Disney and doing the races with my whole heart. If any of you are interested in running, highly recommend. It's so much fun. The atmosphere is great. The 3 a.m. wake-up call feels like nothing once you get there. I am Instagram blogging my college program. It's been a lot of fun, and I've gotten to use some of my PR and marketing skills, even though I'm not currently in the field right now. I used to be a director of public relations and marketing for a tiny home builder in North Alabama called Stone Canyon Homes. That was a lot of fun, but I knew my heart was in Disney and Walt Disney World, and I was originally supposed to do the college program back in 2020 when it got canceled, and I just couldn't stop thinking about it and knew that my dream was to do the program and move down to Orlando, so I decided to take that jump. I am also a Shorkie mom. I have an adorable little Shorkie named Rosie. She is the sweetest puppy ever. My future plans, once my program is over in July, which is so soon, it has flown by, I am joining the Disney PhotoPass photography team as a parks photographer. After that, I hope to get into Disney communications, either through an internship, entry-level position, or temporary assignment with the company, and I hope to work my way up from there until I could hopefully become a Disney communications manager. I would love to stay in DPEP, which is Parks, Experiences, and Products, specifically in parks or experiences. I love Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, Vacation Club, that sort of thing inside of it. I think would be so much fun. It's a company that I just really love and I'm really passionate about. So that's why I took the leap and went from a public relations job that just wasn't exactly what I wanted to move down here and work for Disney. I think the 3 brands that best describe me are Disney, Starbucks, and Lexus. I know you're thinking, wow, so much about Disney. She must be obsessed. But I feel like Disney is very good at storytelling, and the reason why I fell in love with public relations is that I like to tell those stories and hear stories connect with people. So I feel like Disney and I are one in that aspect, and getting to play a part in everyone's story is so much fun. Next, I chose Starbucks because anyone else who loves Starbucks knows every single time you go, it's going to be a little different. I feel like every single time I hang out with someone, it's a little different, and I am very flexible and adaptable to different plans and things. And I feel like at Starbucks, you have to be kind of flexible because one day you get your green tea and it's super sweet, and the next day you get it and it kind of tastes like green water. You really never know what you're going to get. I hope to never lower my friends' expectations so bad that they're getting green water, but maybe a little bit more sweet or less sweet in their tea is always a possibility. Starbucks also takes care of its frequent customers on the app. If you don't have the app, highly recommend. With the STARS programs, I feel like I try to take care of my friends and always do something a little extra for them. And next, I chose Lexus because it's luxurious, stylish, and reliable, and in my opinion, pretty affordable as far as luxury cars go. And I feel like I am reliable. I hold my value like Lexus does with a degree like advertising and public relations. That's a really growing field and something that's sought after recently. I feel like I try to hold my value by doing things like getting my master's degree and expanding on the skills both personally and professionally. So I chose Lexus to represent that. That is all I have. Thank you so much for watching this video.